How to watch One Punch Man. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can watch One Punch Man, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are many platforms and streaming services available for you to watch and stream the One Punch Man series. But the one I'm going to discuss in this video is Crunchyroll, which is a completely legal application. There is also a premium subscription, by the way. It's not a pirated site or something like that. You just have to go ahead and then log into your account. You can also have a free account. You can also have a premium account. Once you log into Crunchyroll, tap the search bar from the top and then just go ahead and then search for One Punch Man over here. And once you go ahead and search for One Punch Man, you will be able to see the One Punch Man anime at the top, which you can simply select, and then you can tap the start watching option to start watching One Punch Man. This way you can watch One Punch Man. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.